Let's quickly make some Christmas cards today. Today is day 8 of Crafty December and the prompt is watercolors. Please check out the description box on how me, Manasa from Upcycled and Ranjita has collaborated to bring you Crafty December. Check out all the details in my description box. Today I'm creating a little wreath design over my watercolor card. I am using a cold pressed watercolor paper. It is around 250 GSM and I prepped the entire surface with a swipe of water. Now I am drawing a little brown wreath with green leaves. So I'm not a watercolor artist, but then I'm just giving an attempt on how we can create simple watercolor patterns with very little supplies. For these I'm using artist watercolors from Camlin, and once I've drawn a circular wreath, I'm now drawing leaves in the shades of dark green, yellow and light green. One tip here for watercolors that I learned myself is to use a lot of water and water it down and then add it to the palette. Now I'm adding little cherries kind of thing. The entire process of this card is self-explanatory and just watch and enjoy the process. As a kid, I used to love, painting and watercoloring, but then I used to color it over my notebooks and stuff. So I've never pursued this art, and of late, I'm starting to draw again, and this is quite very relaxing. Now I finished drawing the wreath with little flowers, cherries, pollen and tiny leaves and flowers. So this is how my wreath looked. Now I'm using these stickers. These are in the theme of camping, but then I'm using the reindeer and the stars to give it a Christmassy night kind of effect. Don't worry if the paint smudges, we are going to use that as the background color and blend it. So now I'm going to add little stars and the reindeer into the center. There. And now I'm beginning to add little blues to give it a night sky kind of effect. Don't worry, if the colors are getting blended, they would look pretty that way. So I'm taking little red, yellow and green from the background and then blending it with the color blue so that it all looks blended and brings out the Christmas night colors. At least I imagine the night to be like this. So yeah. I'm adding blue very randomly so that it gives the look of a night sky and clouds. Once everything is dry, I'm using these gold and silver paint markers and giving border lines. So I'm shabbily drawing some lines to give it a very imperfect finish. I'm going to use this watercolor thing as a card base, so that's the reason I'm giving it a background so that I can add some sentiment or something onto the top. Now I'm using the silver marker and adding thin lines in between the golden lines. This makes a very quick background for my watercolor wreath. I hope you enjoyed looking into this quick watercolor DIY card. Thank you so much for stopping by, and please do subscribe to my channel if you're liking all the work that I do. Thank you so much. Bye.